a lot of that information goes from Jeffrey Epstein to an intermediary like the former prime minister of Norway, over to Lavrov's assistant, or fucking
Yeah,
Steve Bannon and his 12 shirts and his 15
yeah.
pens and his liver spotted face information that
And
he gives to Putin.
and as I wrote to you, Valerie fucking Churkin, the
Could you
former,
believe that?
the now deceased ambassador. I just wrote you that text message, and I heard you quoted it on you and
Coffee and
Liv
tea.
chat
Yeah.
on Coffee and Tea.
Well, it's true. Like, I mean, that's me. That's like the Epstein stuff plays right into how weak he is right now, but it also really expands the narrative of what we don't know, which is
Yeah.
the fact that Jeffrey Epstein worked with Victor Churkin to get information to Putin, and you knew Victor Churkin. Did you not serve with him on the UN Security Council?
He came on the council. Very slick guy, and not that fat, slobby, half vodka drunken type of diplomat, but a very slick guy, probably trained by KGB back in the day. And I also noticed that fact, and I didn't know that,